Welcome back. Let's solve yet another problem in the study of molarity. So do well to watch our previous classes in previous class to the introduction to molarity. Right, let's solve this second problem here. It says that what mass of silver nitrate, that's AgNO3, is needed to make 0.50 liter of a 0.10 mole per liter solution. First, as we know in science, your very first task is to list out given parameters. So what am I given there? Solution. First things first, what mass? Of course, from the word what mass, it means that I'm looking for mass. So from there, what mass? Of course, mass there is unknown. Next up, of the silver nitrate, of course, this is my compound, right? That's by the way, is needed to make 0.50 liter. From the word liter here, it signifies what there? A volume. So I have volume. The volume here is given as 0.50 liters proceeding of a 0.10 mole per liter. Please, if I have 0.10 mole per liter, which parameter signifies 0.10 mole per liter? Of course, that's said to be molarity. We said molarity is its SI unit is given as mole per liter. Of course, I have 0.1 mole per liter. That signifies molarity. All right, I'm given molarity here. Molarity has been equal to 0.10 mole per liter. All right. So let's get mass, please. First things first. Let's get mass. To get mass, observe that mass does not exist in the real formula for molarity. I can't see mass here, but mass exists in the concept of what the mole. So what does it mean there? I have to find mole first. All right. First things first. We know that molarity is equal to mole over what the volume. All right, let's get mole first. If I apply if I multiply here, I'll have that mole is equal to the product of what the molarity times what volume. From here, let's get mole. Mole is now equal in value to molarity is of course 0.10 times volume here is of course 0.50. If I have to punch this together, mole should be equal in value to 0.10 times 0.50. Of course, my answer becomes 0.05 mole. All right, I've gotten mole. Don't forget, we're asked to find mass. So from here, we know but mole itself is equal to mass over molar mass. All right, let's get molar mass because I already know mole. I don't know molar mass yet, so I can easily find mass. So the concept that let's get molar mass first. For argon, that's 108 for the mass. This is about oxygen, of course, 16. It's about, I think, 14 to show. Of course, yeah, it's correct. So these are the mass number of each element here. So let's get ahead to find molar mass. So molar mass is equal to, first, I have argon. Argon is 108, so that becomes 108 plus, next up, nitrogen is 14 plus 14 plus oxygen is of course 16 times 3 because I have 3 moles of oxygen. That becomes 16 times 3. 16 times 3. All right, for me, I'll have 180 is 108, please. 108. I have 108 plus 14 plus 16 times 3. 16 times 3 is of course 48. If I'm to add up these values together, 48 plus 14 plus 108, I have about 170 gram per mole. All right, it's now easier for me to find mass. So from here now, mass is equal to mole times what? Molar mass. Molar mass. All right. What's mole? Of course, we said mole is of course what? 0.05. So 0.05 times molar mass is 170. So let's get the mass. So the mass of a silver nitrate will be equal to 170 times 0.05. This give about 8.5. Of course, it's a mass measured in gram. So this becomes my answer to this particular question. So since I solved this problem involved in molarity concept. So let's look at yet one final example and then we're off with the study of molarity.